for about 70 years. No Muslim has lived happily in the Indian occupied Kashmir. Rather, they all have spent their lives either fighting for freedom or waiting to die for their cause. But yes, they have committed crimes. They are known as criminals all over the world just because they wish to be a part of Pakistani nation, because they sought to see the land of Kashmir included in Pakistan in the global map, because their men widowed their wife by being martyred for the holy cause of freedom, because their mothers sacrificed their beloved sons to let others live free, because they tolerated their houses changing into pieces of blocks, because they tolerated being bombed even in their funeral processions, and at the top of all, because they tolerated being locked in their houses for more than 1.5 years with no food, which caused their little kids to die. But I am really sorry to say that we did not very positively respond to their efforts. We are just marked few steps with huge and crowds, and that's it. We approached restaurants, said few words in the favor of Kashmir, and cooled down, but that's not going to make it. Thank you.